How much do you know about your general knowledge? Here are 25 questions and answers from 25 topics to test your general knowledge. The first one people, one state, one leader was the policy of Adolf Hitler, German politician who was the leader of the Nazi party.
Name the bird that migrates from the North Pole to the South Pole and then come back. What is that bird? A crane? An Arctic tern? A swallow or penguin? It's Arctic terns. Yes, these are the small birds that have the longest migration of any bird in the world. They can fly an average of 56,000 miles from northern Arctic areas to the Antarctic, where they spend the winter.
Who is known as father of geology? Aristotle was an ancient Greek philosopher and scientist who is still considered one of the greatest thinkers in politics, psychology and ethics. Some of his most notable works include Politics, Metaphysics, Poetics and Prayer Analytics. Who is the author of the book Freedom Behind Bars? Kiran Bedi. She is the first female IPS officer, social activist, former tennis player and politician, who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. Who was the first Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha? M.A. Iyengar was the first Deputy Speaker and then Speaker of Lok Sabha in the Indian Parliament. He was Governor of Bihar also. He was born in Tiruchanur near the world-famous temple town Tirupati in Chittoor district. Name the first Indian businessman who found place in the cover story of Forbes magazine. Azim Hasim Premji, who is the chairman of Wipro Limited. He is an Indian business tycoon, investor, engineer and philanthropist. He is informally known as the Caesar of Indian IT industry. Hydrogen bomb is based on what principle? Nuclear fission, nuclear fusion, or what? Based on nuclear fusion. It's developed by the USA in the late 1940s and first explored in 1952 in Pacific Sea. It can release energy equal to more than 1.2 million tons of TNT. What is the full form of Internet? The full form of Internet is interconnected network. In simple language, the connection between two computers established through the TCP/IP protocol. I mean the Transfer Control Protocol and Internet Protocol to exchange information is called Internet. What is the capital of Finland? Helsinki, Finland's southern capital. A person who loves everybody is called altruist. Is the belief that the well-being of others equally, if not more, important than the well-being or survival of the self. Further, altruism involves selfless acts or undertaking that puts the welfare of others before one's own. Who is known as the saint of the gutters? Mother Teresa, a Nobel Peace Laureate known as the Saint of Gutters. In 1979, Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize for the work undertaken in the struggle to overcome poverty and distress, which also constitutes a threat to which place is said to be the cathedral city of India. Bhubaneswar is known as the cathedral city of India. It is situated in the Khodra district of Odisha and also the capital of Odisha. In addition to that, it is the largest city in Odisha. It is a center of economic as well as the religious importance in India. The blue color of the clear sky is due to why is the sky color is blue? It's because of dispersion of light. It's all down to scattering. As the light from the sun becomes almost white, enters the upper atmosphere, it is scattered by the air molecules. Now it's turned out that blue light scatters more easily. That makes the sky blue because blue wavelengths are scattered more strongly than red wavelengths. Firoz Gandhi Award is associated with Indian Navy Day celebrated on which day? 4th of December. And why it is celebrated? 4th December was the chosen as the day in 1971 during Operation Trident. The Indian Navy sank four Pakistani vessels, including PNS Khyber, killing hundreds of Pakistani Navy personnel. On this day, those who martyred in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 are also remembered. The paintings in the Ajanta and Ellora caves are indicative of the development of art under the ruled by Chalukyas. The Chalukya dynasty was the classical Indian royal dynasty that ruled large parts of the southern and central India between the 6th and 12th centuries. During this period, they ruled as a three related yet individual dynasties. Who had estimated national income in India first? It's Dadabhai Nauroji. The first attempt to calculate national income of India was made by Dadabhai Nauroji in 1876. He estimated national income by first estimating the value of agriculture production and then adding a certain percentage as non-agriculture production. This was, however, a non-scientific method. Which foreign country is closest to the Andaman Islands? Myanmar, formerly called as Burma. Yangon is also called as Rangoon City, capital of independent Myanmar Burma from 1948 to 2006 when the government officially proclaimed the new city of Naypyidaw. the capital of the country. Which state is called the cradle of Buddhism? Bihar. It is located in East Bihar. In this place, under the Bodhi tree, which is Banyan tree, Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. It is UNESCO World Heritage Site. Who is the guardian of fundamental rights? Enumerated in Indian Constitution. Its Supreme Court. The judiciary is the guardian of fundamental rights enumerated in Indian Constitution. In a criminal case, the judge has the power to decide whether the accused right have to be violated. As with most disputes, the courts decide when a right has been violated, then they have the power to act in order. Here the Supreme Court is the highest of the judiciary in India. Who invented electrocardiogram (ECG)? It's William Einthoven. William Einthoven was a Dutch physician and physiologist. He invented the first practical electrocardiogram in 1895 and received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1924 for it. Instrument for measuring wind velocity is called anemometer. An anemometer is a device used for measuring wind speed and direction. The first mechanical anemometer was invented by Leon Battista Alberti is approximately 1450. The anemometer measures in feet per minute or fpm. Hopman Cup related to which sports? It's lawn tennis. Pablo Picasso was from which country? India, Chile, Israel, Spain. The answer is Spain. Who was the first chairman of the SARC? The SARC means South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. The first chairman is Lieutenant General Hussain Muhammad Irshad was a Bangladeshi army chief and politician who served as the President of Bangladesh from 1983 to 1990, a time many consider to have been a military dictatorship. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel Will Video.